Hello, I'd like to welcome you to this training video for the Skylite websites and to get inside to the dashboard and to the control panel. This is one of my websites, and I'm going to bring you inside so you can see where to access the information. Go to the control panel down at the bottom of the page. You will have to enter your username and password. I've already logged in, so it didn't ask me that, but you should have received that with your confirmation of the email. There's a lot of different things here available to you. You've got the website for the home if you want to do look at build a new page, new website, new post, view a blog, view analytics, and log out, to log out of the system. Now, first of all, I'm just going to go right into to the analytics because I had a question of a guy that was asking how to view his analytics. And this is where you can access all your information. It'll give you a monthly view of what's going on. And of course, 4 of the last months that you were in the system. This shows like 1,757 views already in this month. I think it's like the 2nd of November already. And there's a few different options down below here. It's contact help or anything like that, or if there's any information you needed. I'm going to go through a couple more of these as well. Reviews, it'll give you a snapshot of the reviews and things that are going on over there, and the word count and all the things that you have going through the system. You can look all through these and access all this stuff. The knowledge base, this brings you over to our little video support help that'll help you with some of the things here. And it's linked directly to Roofing Estimator Pro, web-based software down in the help desk section. The account information, all the things that you have in here, support, and I'm going to go through a couple more items that I think that's important when you're building your website and how to do this. Now, the website is real simple to do, to get into and make changes. If you want to add a new page, you simply go in here and click Add New, and you can put a page name, description, keywords, and it's just like a Word document file. So if you can, a Word editor, you can put this all in here with hyperlinks. And I'm going to make a training video that's going to support some more of this and go through step by step. But it's really that simple, and you pick the standard page, mini form, and of course any of the things like live, publish, or just draft. A lot of things you can add in the icon bar for the navigation, which we'll put at the top of the page, and also a slideshow. You can have that as well and add to the website page. Managing pages. Your current pages you have going on, you can view them by simply clicking on one of the view buttons. It'll show you exactly what's going on with that page. You can edit the page, at any time, and I can show you where, how I've set these pages up. We put the name of the company or the page that we want in there, a little short description of what it is. So this is what goes up on the icon bar. Description of the page, just a nice, any more than 120 words, 160 max. Keywords for anything that you're trying to rank on, any of the pages, keywords that you want on your page. You can also have your heading that catches the person's eye, and we put that in heading 2 and make it bold. Photos are real simple to add. We have a list of them in here, so you can pick the photo that you like, and there's a drop-down menu that you can actually look at different photos, so you can add those as well. I'm going to hit cancel on this. I don't want to make any changes to the page. This is another heading, and we have this on heading 3. Standard text is just a paragraph. You can see the paragraph. It's just standard text. We can add photos. You can hit center, on the side, justify, any of the things that you want. Also a hyperlink. If you want them to go directly to your website, you just simply click on this little icon here that has the chain or the link, and you just put your hyperlink in here. You can have it open to a new window or blank, which is opens a new window or frame. Either way. But when you're doing this, you want to make sure when you're doing this to use the HTTP. That's so important. A lot of guys will leave that out and it won't go to the site. So just make sure you put the HTTP semicolon / / and then the website address, the URL. Hit cancel on that. And standard page, you can pick, different page that you want. It can be an estimate page, contact page, or testimonial gallery, video gallery, different pages in there for you. And a photo gallery, custom bar. You can have it on the navigation bar, like I said, at the top or the bottom. It's available, or no. Slideshow, yes, it can be included in the slideshow. And you just hit the update page. And when you make changes, there's other things for your blog. If you want to do a blog post, you simply go here to new post. And the current postings that we have, we recommend at least 5. I mean, if you just, you can hire somebody to write these articles for you. If you just simply go to search the web for maybe PLR article writer or someone article writer, that'll get you where you want to be. Edit, the same type of thing. It's all in a Word editor that gives you all the information. So and again, we start with that heading at the top. This is your post title. We underline in bold, italicize, keywords, and that's just done by clicking the bold button. Same thing with an editor. Always have keywords that you want to target in, and finding the best roofer. A blog post is very similar to an article post, but it's something that gets indexed quite a bit. It's it's a great way to promote your business without having to have another website. It actually gets indexed heavily by Google. We can view the blog. You can look at the blog, what's going on, and you can see this blog home that'll give you all the list of all the blogs. You can click here to view all the posts in a little smaller version. But these do get indexed quite heavily. This is really a great way to promote, like I said, your business. Control panel. You use the username and password will get saved, so that way you don't have to enter it every time. Media, you can add videos, upload a new photo. If you want to put a photo in, just browse to wherever you want to be at. The title. This alt text, this is good because this gets indexed. So if you're adding a photo, use something on your website, whether it's Best Roofing Maine or Maine Roofing Photo or something like that. And photos, there'll be a list of them in here. It has the code built in, so if you wanted to see what the code is, that's your source code. So if you copy and paste that in the HTML section, you can do that as well. Or like I said, you can always do the drag down, and it's all listed for you. You can always view it. Just hit the back button here. Video, same type of thing. You get the code actually, and that's from YouTube. We recommend that you just copy the iframe code right off YouTube. And if you go to the share button on YouTube, it'll give you that code, and you just copy it. And that's done. We can view like a video that we have in there now, and I'll show you where that is. You can hit the share button, and you want to embed, and there's your code right there. There's that code that was on that page. So you right-click, copy. Let's just hit the back button a couple times, bring us right in, and you can see that that is the same code that I was talking about on the video here. Let me just go back and refresh this. As I get hung up, and there's your code right there. Same code off YouTube, and you can view them. Make any changes you want. Upload a new video. If you wanted to upload, same type of thing. Browse and put it in. It'll upload it to the site. Files. If you have any storage file, if you want to add something, maybe a PDF or Word document or brochure, browse it, put it in, name it, and you can add it on the file page. I don't have any on mine right now, but that's definitely available. And in the media, you have all these links that'll bring you right in. And that simply shows you everything on how to access the Skylite platform. There's a lot of stuff in here, so just go through, and you're not going to mess anything up, but this will definitely help you. If you have any questions, go to the support desk, and there's 2 tutorials here with the knowledge base that you can get right into the website, and this will help you out with understanding some of the more stuff in more depth on editing your website. Anyway, David Deshane from the Skylite platform. Appreciate your time. We'll talk to you soon.